India and the world. This is the topic of 9th class NCERT book Geography, first chapter. India. If you see the map of world, then India is lying here. This middle line, topic of cancer, divides whole world into two parts, northern part and southern part. Topic of cancer divides India and the other countries also into two parts. If you see, where is India? India is in Asia continent. There are 7 continents: North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, Antarctica. So these all are the 7 continents. In 7 continents, the location of India is in southern part of Asia. Southern part of Asia. Here, when we talk in context to world, India plays very important role. India is having its strategic importance. Why? Because it lies between East Asia and West Asia. Between East and West Asia, India is lying, and it has a very long coastline and a large landmass. Because of large area, here this ocean is named as Indian Ocean. Coming to the next, that there is a close contact between these countries: Southeast Asian countries, Western countries, West Asian countries, Africa, and this trans waterway route is playing very important role, connecting people, doing trade and commerce, exports, import, all the things which is done through the waterways is helping India a lot for the development as well as increasing the trade. Okay. Earlier, the ships which were moving from eastern side and going to Europe, it was taking time as well as the consumption of fuel was more. But later on in the year 1869, there was opening of the Suez Canal. Suez Canal is here. This canal is made here in the Egypt country. Egypt is located in Africa. And here is water bodies. Here is Gulf of Aden connecting with Red Sea, and Red Sea. Here is Mediterranean Sea, and very small portion of landmass of Egypt is lying between the Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea. So it was decided to make here the canal, and canal was made, and because of the opening of the canal, Suez Canal, the distance of 7,000 kilometers is minimized. Now the ships from the eastern countries here, Southeast Asian countries, now the ships were moving through Red Sea and going to Mediterranean Sea and reaches to the Europe. So it becomes very easy, fast movement of the goods and commodities. Trades also become easy as it reduces the fuel consumption and saving the time. India has given many things to world, and from world we also learned many things. Now when we talk about that contacts, our contacts through land part is much more than waterways. More development took place through landways. All the passes played a very important role connecting the people to the other countries, other side countries, to the landmass. In ancient time, people were moving through land only because that time waterways was not developed, and people were moving through these passes and come in India, and people attracted here because of the availability of the many things. Spices, muslins and other merchandise were taken from India to the different countries, and people they took all these things through land route. What we have taken or learned from the other countries? We learn because the people who were coming from the other countries, they have given us the architectural style for manufacturing. We can take the example of dome. In many of the monuments and buildings, we can see the dome shape structure, and this has given by the foreigners who came from the other countries and who started settling here. In history, we have seen many of the foreigners, visitors came, they stayed here, studied, they learned from here many things, and we have also learned many things from them. Another example is minarets. Qutub Minar, that is the best example in Delhi, which we can see this type of structure. Again, it is given by the other countries people, and here this building, this minarets is made. So these structural architectural style Indians learned from the other countries, and what we have given to the world, we have given idea of Upanishad, we have given Ramayana, the story of Panchtantra, Indian numbers. For example, 0 and 1 is given by India. Next, decimal system, again it is the origin of Indians. These all things reached from India through other part of the world, and like this the knowledge is spread from India to other countries, nearby countries, and from other nearby countries the people who came through land route, we learn many things from them. So this was all about the India and the world, which we have to study in our chapter. Now we are going to study about India and its neighbor. When we are talking about the India and neighbor, then there will be requirement of map of India. Without it, it is very difficult, and it will be easy when we study with the help of map.